Go. Does it go a little faster? Can I please see how well the train does circles? Drives. Oh. So hook's on easy?
Yes, hook's on easy.
Look at that circle. Look at that. Wow. Ride it around the house.
Oh! It really went too fast. The speed train that means. Like that. This is security.
Hey, come on back. Come on back.
And it's gonna go over the speed bump again. Here's the speed bump.
The handles very well on speed bumps, I see.
Again.
Bring it right over here so I can see it. This beautiful, beautiful little train we made.
The car's coming to drive off somebody. Thank you.
Hey, you like the train?
Yes, I love it.
Okay.
I wish I had one. Can you please make one for me?
Yeah, okay. I'll make you that.
Yeah, thank you.